To simplify this rational expression, we need to make sure that we factor the top and bottom and cancel any common factors that we may have. Well, the numerator here at the top cannot be factored further, so we're going to leave the numerator alone and focus on the denominator. So we have the difference of two squares and the denominator. So I'm going to just rewrite the top. Then on the bottom, this is actually 9 squared minus x squared. So we can factor it by saying 9 plus x times 9 minus x. So we almost have something that we can cancel out, but not quite. At the top, the x is positive and the 9 is negative. At the bottom, we have positive 9 and positive x, and then we have a positive 9 and negative x. If we factor out a negative from the second factor in the denominator, then that will give us, let's factor out a negative 1. Then that will give us in the second denominator negative 9 plus x. So we're factoring the negative 1 out of the second factor in the denominator. I'm going to rewrite everything else as it was before. So now if you notice, the top is x minus 9, and then in the bottom in red, we have a negative 9 plus x. That's basically the same thing as the top. So we're going to cancel those two out. Then at the top, we just have a 1 over, and then we have the negative times 9 plus x. And then finally, we can just put the negative at the top so it looks a little better. Negative 1 over, and then we don't need the parentheses at the bottom, 9 plus x.